So I'm just going to give you the quick rundown on this VGA to HDMI adapter here. So we'll take it out of the packaging and I'll just show you what's in it. Okay, so this is what you're going to get. You're going to get the adapter, power cable, and audio that goes in. So the thing is, it's got resolutions that it's got to adapt to. So I'll take the book out and I'll show you. Okay, so the bit of paper that comes with it is really small writing, so you're going to need binoculars to read it, but the camera should pick it up. Now, these resolutions here that you can see, that's what this device is compatible with. And my computer only does that resolution there. You can't drop down the arrow, nothing happens. So that resolution is not compatible with that adapter. The idea was I was going to put this adapter between that computer and my TV so I could use it on my TV using HDMI, because the computer I've got is fairly old, it's Windows 7 and doesn't have HDMI. So I thought, you know, get the adapter, connect the TV up, and at least I can use the computer to watch, you know, just movies or whatever. You know, I've got a computer instead of a Android set-top box. So that didn't work out, and what you get with that type of resolution is this type of baloney. Nothing comes into focus at all. It's all just totally pixelated, all purplish blue and nothing. So if you buy one of these, you need to make sure first that your device is compatible with those resolutions. If it's not, it's not going to work, but if it does, then it's really clear and it's nice. So can't say it doesn't work, it's got to be one of those resolutions or it's not going to work. Just a quick rundown to help you guys out if you buy the same thing and you get the same problem, that it's the resolution that's the problem, not the device. All right, cheers guys.